Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JMN examination. This question came on 27th August 2021 in shift 1. So let us see this question first. Question says, the variation of the displacement with time of a particle executing free simple harmonic motion is shown in the figure. So this is the figure which has been given to you. The potential energy Ux versus time plot of the particle is correctly shown in the figure A. So you have to choose which graph is correct. Okay. So we already know that the particle is, if the particle is executing simple harmonic motions, so it oscillates from its mean position and goes till its maximum point, and this is the maximum point at which you'll get a displacement, maximum displacement in upward direction and maximum displacement in downward direction. Okay, and the particle is oscillating to and fro. So in this particular situations, we already know that when a particle is at its mean position, when it is at its mean position, okay, x is equal to 0. So that means at x is equal to 0, if I'll find out the potential energy of the system, potential energy is also 0 at that particular point. Okay. In simple harmonic motion, whenever a particle is displaced from its mean position, it has a tendency to again come to its mean position, original mean positions. Okay, so while it is going away from its mean position, its potential energies keep on increasing, whether it is going in upward positive direction or whether it is going in downward positive directions, its potential will keep on increasing. Okay, so the energy of the system increases to its maximum point when it goes to its maximum upward as well as maximum lowest point. And potential energy is always increases, then decreases, and then again increases, then decreases. So out of these graph, you can see at x equals 0, the potential has to be 0. So potential is also 0. In each graph, when x equal to 0, the potential is also, when x equal to 0 and time equal to 0, the potential is 0. Now, if we'll move forward again, at certain time, the potential increases because the x is also increases. So the potential has to increase in the positive directions. Okay, it's not like a potential, if you are moving in positive x direction, then only potential will gonna increase or in the positive directions. Potential also increases while it goes towards its other half and reaches its maximum position in backward direction. So the potential is always increasing. Okay, increases then decreases, increases then decreases only in the positive directions. The only one graph that in which the potential increases and decreases only in the positive direction is the fourth one. Okay, in rest other graph, the potential may increase and then decrease in the downward direction. This graph is also not possible. Okay, so because it's entirely the potential is in negative direction. So potential is always increases because potential, if I'll talk about, if I'll give an example of a simple harmonic motion in which if I'll take a spring system and a mass is attached to it and this is its mean position, while if I'll displace it towards right with a certain displacement x, it will gain its potential energy and the potential energy is increasing. So the potential energy is also given by the relationship, it is equal to half k x square. From this also you can easily make out, because while x increases either in this direction or either in this direction, this is extension, this is compression. Okay, in whichever may be the condition, okay, in all the situation the potential always is positive because square of x square must be positive, so the potential has to be positive, so it cannot go negative. So in rest other graph, you'll see the negative potential, which is not possible. So the only possible option is the fourth option that you should choose. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.